Keto Interest presents the top 3 tips to lose weight with the ketogenic diet. By the end of this video, you will learn everything you need to learn in how keto will help you lose those unwanted pounds. If you are new to the ketogenic diet, it may seem like an extreme change in your eating habits. However, as with any kind of diet, it's not about what you cannot eat. It's about focusing on foods that will help you meet your goals. The ketogenic diet can help you lose weight faster than any other type of low-carb eating plan. Here is tip number 1. Don't fear the fats. The fats you eat on the keto diet are much healthier than the fats you find in a typical Western diet. Healthy fats are found in nuts, seeds, oils like coconut and avocado, olives, and fatty fish. Eating more fat will help you stay full and energized and prevent cravings, so it's important to choose the right kinds of fats. On the keto diet, you should stay away from processed vegetable oils like corn oil. Tip number 2. If you want to lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. That means you have to find ways to increase both metabolism and energy expenditure. The best way to achieve that is with a combination of diet and exercise. It's important to remember that not all exercises are created equal when it comes to weight loss. You want to choose exercise that helps you burn the most calories and boosts metabolism. The best options are high-intensity interval training, full-body strength training, and short bursts of high-intensity cardio. A high-intensity interval training workout can be accomplished by performing 30 seconds to 1 minute of sprinting, then walking or jogging slowly for a minute or two, and repeating the cycle for just 10 minutes. Full-body strength exercises could be done in the convenience of your own home. An example of these exercises are lunges and squats. If you like running, then run away into the oblivion and comment below your results. Before we talk about the last tip, we would like for you to take a moment and smash that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm know that this video is awesome, just as awesome as all of you that have taken the time to watch this video. Here is tip number 3. Track your progress. Consistency is key when it comes to dieting and exercising. You want to make sure that your efforts don't fall short when it's time to measure results. The best way to stay on track is by tracking your progress and making necessary adjustments when needed. You can track calories, macronutrients, and your weight using a calorie tracker app, a food journal, or a body monitoring device like Fitbit. You can also track your progress by taking photos, and many keep themselves accountable by uploading to their social media. This is one of the most valuable ways to measure weight loss progress. Make sure to look for other relevant content regarding the keto diet in the description below. Thanks for watching.